Well, tonight I'm here at the boat alone for the first time ever to spend the night in here by myself. I'm gonna be cooking dinner right here for the first time, see if the stove actually works as it should. I'm gonna be sleeping here by myself for the first time, and I hope it feels right. We're gonna be decorating the ceiling of the boat with some fancy lights. And earlier today, Karita was here with Abby from Coastal Canvas to get a quote and try and fix these canvases that are broken all around the boat. But tonight is just me in the boat, and I will be sleeping here alone for the first time ever. Let's see how that feels.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I'm here today with Abby from Coastal Canvas, and she's going to show me what she can repair on our sailboat, or I'm going to show her what I need to have repaired, and she's going to show me what she can do. It's nice to have local talent in the area that knows what they're doing and knows how to repair sailboat cushions, because I would have no idea what to do. So let's go.
It would be nice to have somewhere nice to sit, and I'm excited to come aboard.
All right, let's go see what needs to be done. So one of the things is this. So I'm quite tall, 6'1". And when I'm standing here, as you can see, this is like,
It's like a jacket.
Yeah, it's flapping and it's
Yeah.
hitting my head. So we definitely want this bimini cover fixed.
So we'd undo the solar panel first, and then you take apart the bars. It's kind of an interesting way to put it together. Most would have zippers that kind of hold it on, so it's easy to take that off without taking all the bars off.
Okay.
But we take the whole bars off to be able to take it off. If I'm being completely honest, the bimini is kind of in rough shape.
Yeah.
It seems to be at the end of its life, unfortunately. We're gonna need to really wash it and re-waterproof treat it.
Okay.
So every seam. If we're looking for a budget option to do as much as we can at the beginning, I'm totally willing to try it. I can't promise anything with the bimini because that's the hardest part. The rest of the canvas, like even this sail cover, I know it's green, but we can wash that really well and retreat it, redo the seams, change what you guys want to change on it, and I think it will last you quite a long time. The bimini is a little bit harder because it's protecting everything, right?
Right. So maybe it might almost be better off just to replace the whole bimini cover. I know.
And the bimini is so important when you're sailing. On a nice weather day, you need some shade. On a shitty weather day, you need some voyage. So
Yeah, exactly.
my suggestion is that we would take every single piece of canvas here, wash it, re-sew it, retreat it so that it's going to last you as long as it can, really. Because all these pieces, the more that it has growth, the more it's going to eat through the material.
Okay.
And it should last you a really long time. I wash, re-sew, retreat.
Okay.
My hands are my washing machine, unfortunately. It's all about elbow grease.
Wow, awesome. Nice. We would like for just, instead of having these straps,
Or what we can do is we can actually do an actual buckle style that has the kind of strap that you're using right now on either side, so you could kind of cinch it tight.
yeah, I like that idea.
Okay, so buckles. I love
Buckle
that.
style. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're inside the boat and we're gonna just have a look at the other repairs that we need to.
A beautiful
make.
blue cushion goes with the boat.
Yeah, it was once beautiful, but now it's
beautiful.
completely ripped open.
Okay, so
That's a big one, I think,
yeah, for sure.
because we'll need the nice, like, whatever kind of material this is.
Yeah, it's a vinyl.
Fine, I was gonna say vinyl, but
Yeah. And I have to unfortunately tell you that I can't repair it. I'd have to replace it. And I mean, let's feel it. Foam still feels okay. It's up to you if you would want to replace that as well. That is going to be the biggest part of cost when you're doing a cushion.
okay.
Especially when it's outdoor in a marine environment. You need an open cell foam, which is a lot more expensive than a regular foam. Just the nature of it so that it can drain, being in this wet climate. But it's definitely doable if you want to do all this on a budget and we want to just use the same foam and make new cushions and then in the future decide to replace it later. We can totally do that.
Okay.
Just because it does seem like it's still got a little bit of life to it. It doesn't seem like it's moldy or anything like that, so we could
That's good.
look into that option. I'll measure it now so I know how much material I'd need,
Okay.
and then I'd get you a price on replacing it
Okay.
with the foam and without.
Okay. That would be great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks. Okay, let's do the recap of
Okay.
what we need to have.
So the sail cover, we want to add buckles, we're going to wash it, we're going to re-sew it, and we're going to retreat it. The cushions and the bimini. And then my suggestion was that we bring all the canvas, rewash, retreat it all. And then I'll also get you an estimate to redo the cushions, just redoing the vinyl or redoing the foam as well.
Okay.
And then I'll get you an estimate for both of them and you guys can decide what you want to do. Yeah, the door cover, I definitely recommend that we take that, wash it, retreat it.
Okay.
And while I'm retreating and resewing, if there's anything with holes in it, I'll obviously repair that. Any grips I can put patches on.
Where are you from again? Like super close to...
And then my shop's in Union Bay, so a little bit farther, but I can work it in.
So you actually have a shop that people can like walk into and bring stuff to?
No, I
as
just
well,
have
or
a shop
that's where you worked
that's...
out of?
I just have a shop, it's a little bit more private, but I just need a bigger space for my big sewing machine. And my house is pretty small.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, nice meeting you today.
Yeah. Thank you for
so
having
much.
me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so very, very exciting. I just got this package. They're fairy lights, they're string fairy lights, and they are gonna go all over the ceiling up here. All over the ceiling. And it's gonna make this place look fantastic. Super homey. I have two sets, super homey and super nice. Just like make it feel like home. Remotes and everything. So yeah, let's work on that. Okay, so they're actually called curtain lights, and ideally they go along a horizontal plane, and then you just let each string fall down, and they're like a curtain of lights. But they're also supposed to work for horizontal. Of course, I can do whatever I want. And ideally, I would just measure things and be methodical about how I want to hang this up. But I'm not methodical ever. I'm not gonna start today. So I'm gonna improvise and I'm gonna take you along with me. So they come with these little hooks. That's where I'm just gonna use this for the sticky part, and a USB connector. I'm gonna start hanging this up. Kind of fun. Probably look really nice. Okay, so the sticky tack wasn't working for some reason. It's just the paint's peeling off. So I'm gonna use duct tape. I know what you're thinking, it's gonna look bad. It might, but at least it'll be shiny, bright, and beautiful. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and then I will try and find a different option another day. But for now, I'm just gonna use some duct tape because I have it here, and I want to see the lights on tonight. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go under the window. So hang tight. Whoa, that looks so cool. Now I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Let's get 4, 5. Party time. 6, 7. No, thank you. Hey, this is as low as it goes. This is as high as it goes. Good. I like it. I like it. All right, it's dinner time, so let's turn on the stove. There we go. Oh yeah, you can see the flame. Nice. This is olive oil, just a little bit. Perfect. And a bunch of veggies in here. Just so you know, safety first. Hatch open so the fumes don't kill me. Also, as a safety measure, we have the seal monitor. So. And I've got some spice mix in here. What's in the spice mix? In the spice mix is salt, there's pepper, there's oregano, there's garlic powder, there's paprika, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna add a little bit to this. All right, at least I've got water, the frying pan as a plate. Sorry, Mom.
Now, well into our 11th year at sea and on YouTube, this isn't the first time we've sold a boat.
I didn't expect it to be this quiet. This is very exciting. So I will see you all in the morning. Sleeping bag. Have a good night. Good morning. Oh, it was so cold last night. I turned off the heat because I thought it was going to be too hot. Excuse me. And it turned out it was too cold. So I had a mediocre sleep. So now it's time to get up and get ready for the day, make some coffee, clean up and go home. A little chilly, nothing crazy. I'm gonna just drink my coffee. I'm gonna run the engine for a little bit. I'll pack everything up and I'm going home. That was a great experience. It was a little cold, but that was fun. First time on the boat, first time ever sleeping in the boat and cooking in the boat. Fantastic overall. So yeah, I can see Karita and I and our family just taking this boat everywhere around the islands here around Vancouver Island and all the inlets and all of the islands, and exploring, endlessly exploring. So this was a very, very good test. We'll definitely be able to sleep 4, 5, 6 people. This was a good first night.
City in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you everything?